like that?
I'm preparing for Halloween.
That's a sweet costume.
I know, right? While waiting for him to put on his costume, we're going to comment of the week. Beans I had last video. Yeah, those things were awesome. They're all over my room.
Costume of the year.
It's all gonna be good. Oh, is that a good idea for a costume?
What's wrong with it? I'm Chicken Man.
What's that?
You see that thing out there? Come on, follow us.
Come on.
I gotta get my shoes on. There's no light bugs in Arizona. I'm coming.
I wonder. Wait, what is that? Eyeballs?
Why are there bad things happen on scary movies?
I know.
I don't like this.
What's going on?
Oh man.
Let's go. Let's check him out.
Please let this be.
You did it.
And that's why I eat my veggies. Yeah, come on. So do you see anything?
What?
Meat. Ah! Yeah.
Oh, great. I think we're about to find out.
Wait,
That's not it.
I think it's over here. Ouch! No.
Don't we sell the meat?
Yeah, I should probably get rid of that.
Guys, do you hear that noise?
Okay, whatever. There is.
Wait, I don't have any weapons. Make one.
I think I can't believe you.
Spooky videos, this is pretty spooky. He's after me. Thanks for the picture, Caden and Uriah. I'm ready to go.
Ring around the rosy, bucket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, bucket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Feel the lovely sunshine, flowers all around. Hop a little hop right off the ground. Feel the lovely sunshine, flowers all around. Jump a little jump right off the ground. Ring around the rosy, bucket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, bucket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Feel the lovely sunshine, flowers all around. Hop a little hop right off the ground. Feel the lovely sunshine, flowers all around. Jump a little jump right off the ground.
Hey, Coley!
What?
Come play this game with me.
What game?
Quick enough.
Like this?
Exactly makes it explode.
Your turn. This game's gonna give me a heart attack.
I'm not scared.
Where's my tablet? Ethan, did you take my tablet?
Or what?
Is that your final answer?
I don't really know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, well.
Ooh, I'm so terrified.
I knew it.
Oh,
Give it back.
apologize first.
Never.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah? Are you sure you want to do?
Aha.
Oh. Trying to sabotage me again, huh? I'll show them.
Whoa!
I know what you guys are up to, and I'm not gonna let it happen.
What is that?
We need to join forces.
Yeah, I can't do this alone. Yeah.
Hey guys, last week we completely forgot about the comment of the week. So you see a Halloween one, a Christmas one. And it comes from Evan! And he's apparently part of the alien. Send them in. We'll find some pretty good ones actually. Just make sure you send them to our Facebook. Know who would be your teammate in a Nerf battle. It could be just anyone.